Here's an unboxing of the Beyblade 3-pack. Cost 28 bucks at my local ToysRus. Okay, so 3-pack, the attack set. This is my second compared to my first, which is the my popular video of the bounce unboxing. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox it. Let's see. Oh, let's see the bays inside it. Oh, my voice is changing. Okay, it comes with Storm Aquario. All the pieces there. 100 HFS. Next, Legend Cyber Pegasus. 100F. 105F. Okay, Cyber Pegasus is basically the same as this. And Flame Bull. 105F. See the back. Pause the video if you want to see the stats. And Flame Bull there. It comes, wait, right there. Okay, it comes with 3 character codes. Pretty nice. Comes with a authentic WBBA sticker, so you know it's real. Metal Fusion. And it's Hasbro. So it's the US version, of course, because Takara or Sun Kong doesn't release these packs. Okay, so I believe you open it from here. I don't know. From what I remember, last unboxing of the 3-pack, you open it from here. Okay, see what's inside. Okay, just as last time, there's this one random box. Okay. Okay, just pick up the stuff. Here's the tools and everything. Let's go open this up. Aw, I was hoping the launcher for to be an awesome color. Like last time's was orange. This one's plain red, like plain old boring red. Wow, these scissors suck. Oh gosh, how embarrassing. Okay, character codes, everything here. Here's all that comes with it. First, launcher. Standard red launcher, Hasbro, nice. Really tiny RipCord. Oh, that's weird, doesn't come with elastics. Oh well. Okay, character cards. For all you guys who don't know, I have Storm Aquario already, so I already got that. And I have the pieces to make Flame Bull already, so I got that. I just need Legend Cyber Pegasus. I was originally going to ToysRus to find it, but Legend Cyber Pegasus by itself, but I found this. So, okay, here we go. Storm Aquario with a picture of Hikaru on it. Legend Cyber Pegasus by itself. So that's pretty awesome. And you can see it's pretty golden. And Flame Bull, which features Jinga, Madoka, Benkei, Kyoya, and Kenta. Here's the stickers. Nice Aquarius stickers. The Legend Cyber Pegasus. And the Flame Bull stickers. Nice. So I'll put everything on the background right here. Next is assembly tool, or normal tool if you wish to call it that. Yellow colored. And the instruction manual, which no one cares about. Okay, oh gosh. Oh, and tools up there. Okay, wow, I think I messed it up. Okay, so now unboxing the top part. Oh, wait, I think you cut this. This is like my 3rd bay of 2011, kind of sad. Oh gosh, oh, that was stupid of me, I ripped it. Oh yeah, if you guys didn't recognize it, but these are the same scissors from the last video. And here's the sides of all the Wave 2s, I think. I don't know. And ToysRus back there was an overload. Like, it had Earth Virgo, like tons of them. Fire Blaze, ton of them. Amazing. Okay, here is what it looks like. Another white box thing. Oh, finally, the base. They're nice. Oh, this gives you weird thoughts. Okay, first Flame Bull. Wow, I took it easily out. Flame Bull 1.5 flat. Flame Bull, nice. Flame Wheel shiny. Bull, heaviest clear wheel so far. Legend Cyber Pegasus. The reason I bought this pack. Okay, by the way, the Cyber Pegasus isn't owned by Sora, because it has F, which is flat, instead of whole flat. So, oh wow, the light changed. Anyways, here, Legend Cyber Pegasus. Oh, that's nice. If you don't notice, it's like clear, and the bottom's clear too, and shiny. Last but not least, the Storm Aquario owned by Hikaru. Shiny too. Bays are awesome when they're shiny. Okay, and the first mode that it comes in when I got it is Sharp. So here's the whole pack. Let's see the resemblance here. They're exactly the same. Normal Pegasus versus Cyber. So yeah, this is my unboxing. Now I'll put the stickers on, and here we go. Okay, first off is Cyber Pegasus. I'll put the stickers on, and I won't put on those stupid eye stickers. Okay. This is the last time you'll see this epic of Facebolt. Oh no! There we go, Cyber Pegasus. Now these two clear wheel stickers. One down, next to go. This is my first time putting stickers on a video before, if you haven't noticed. But okay, here we go, Cyber Pegasus. Amazing. 105 flat. So next bay now. Okay, here's Flame Bull. I'll put the stickers on. This is the same Flame Bull that comes in the Rock Leon double pack. So here we go. These bull stickers are awesome. Flame Bull is probably the worst attack type combo ever, like in a Hasbro pack. But oh well. Okay, Bull. Now the two clear wheel stickers. So yeah, this is a nice pack. If you've got the money, it's totally worth it. You know, awesome attacks. But I obviously prefer the balanced pack that came before this. Like, come on, it has Earth Aquila, like Earth Eagle, and Evil Gemios, which is pretty epic, and Dark Bull. Okay, Flame Bull, done. Next bay. Last but not least, Storm Aquario. These Aquario stickers are pretty nice. Storm Aquario. Okay, base done. Just gives it its character. And now the clear wheel stickers. I'm always hesitating on these just in case I failed it and I got it on tape. Okay, one down, next one to go. And if you hear those background noises, it's like my family and everything. They don't know what privacy means. Okay, here we go. Here's all the bays. Now I'll show you guys its pieces individually. license and frame build. So yeah, here's what came with it, the whole thing. 3 sheets of stickers. Amazing. 3 character codes. Let's start the Pegasus. Aquario and Beyblade. The top, it's themselves. Never been used yet. Amazing. These 3 headings, I don't know. Like they put on top of the base. Instructions. Unused. I don't care about them. The launcher. Nothing special. The tool. Yellow color. Random thing. And last but not least, the box.